गुड न्यूज सर, आज से आपको पेट्रोल पे 20% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा।
20%।
लॉटरी लग गई तो मेरे बाकी के पैसे लूटे डाले।
वो तो आपके हाथ में ना। 45 की स्पीड पे गाड़ी चलाइए, रेड लाइट पे इंजन ऑफ कर दीजिए, 20% पेट्रोल तो जरूर बचेगा। बात तो वही है ना।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
मैंने सोच लिया है, जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा ना, तब मैं साइकिल रिपेयर की दुकान खोलूंगा।
क्यों?
जिस तरह आप सब पेट्रोल वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, फ्यूचर में तो पेट्रोल बचेगा ही नहीं, तब तो सब साइकिल ही चलाएंगे ना।
खुद ही सारा पेट्रोल खत्म करेंगे या कुछ अपने बच्चों के लिए भी छोड़ेंगे? प्लीज कम से कम सिग्नल पे तो इंजन ऑफ कीजिए।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
ये लो।
गुड न्यूज सर, आज से आपको पेट्रोल पे 20% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा।
20%।
लॉटरी लग गई तो मेरे बाकी के पैसे लूटे डाले।
वो तो आपके हाथ में ना। 45 की स्पीड पे गाड़ी चलाइए, रेड लाइट पे इंजन ऑफ कर दीजिए, 20% पेट्रोल तो जरूर बचेगा। बात तो वही है ना।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
I am very excited to be participating in zonal level and I am fully prepared. I'll give my 100% and I'll beat everybody and be at the top.
We have prepared our best, but we know that all other teams are doing their best for coming in the finals. So we will do our 100% and rest depends on the luck.
We both have prepared very nicely and we will give our 100% to qualify this level. And as it is a best opportunity to show up your talent, so we will give our 100%.
We have prepared very well for our zonal round competition. We will try our best to reach at finals.
We have prepared very much well for this zonal level quiz. As from the starting level, we are preparing for this quiz.
We prepared very well and will give our 100%.
Conservation of fuel is very important because we are using fuel in such a great pace that it would be finished very soon and exhausted, and we all know that it's an exhaustible resource, so it's difficult to get back them, so we should use it wisely.
We know that petroleum and fossil fuels are non-renewable resources and are going to end soon. So it's our duty to conserve it for our future generations. So I request my viewers that charity begins at home. So we must start doing small jobs from our homes, like carpooling and using bicycles instead of vehicles that pollute our environment.
We should be more aware towards our environment and we should do all means of ways, whatever we can do to protect our environment.
We should conserve these fossil fuels for our future generation, and we should not overutilize it, and we should use it alternatively.
हम पेट्रोल को कम यूज़ करके या फ्यूल को कम यूज़ करके हम अपनी फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए पेट्रोल बचा सकते हैं।
हम पीसीआरए को धन्यवाद इसलिए देते हैं क्योंकि ये बेस्ट मेथड है लोगों को अवेयर करने के लिए फॉसिल फ्यूल्स के लीकेज के लिए। आई वांट टू थैंक पीसीआरए फॉर गिविंग अस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी and we are very glad that we came here and playing the zonal level of the PCRA quiz. We have prepared it well, but we don't know what will happen. We will do our best.
पीसीआरए को एक बहुत बड़ा थैंक्स कहना चाहते हैं कि वो हमारे जो कंट्री के पीपल हैं उनको एक बहुत अवेयर कर रहे हैं इस पेट्रोल को कंजर्व करने के लिए।
They say no one ever achieves greatness without dreams. And so, hoping for a dream run today are North India's rising stars, Indian Nurturers. Hello and welcome to you all over Planet Quizzing, to most awaited India's favorite conservation quiz. PCRA presents Saksham Quiz Contest 2020. Sit back, savor, drink it, relish and enjoy as North India's most fearless teams battle head to head for the title King of the North. मैं हूं अजय पूनिया, दूरदर्शन स्टूडियोज कैपिटल सिटी न्यू दिल्ली से, और बड़ी बेसब्री से हम कर रहे थे इंतजार आज ही के दिन का, because today we garnish the modern matchless magnificence of the national final with the last piece of the puzzle. These Indian nurturers have been divided into two groups, and one by one they will come into the studio to play their zonal qualifiers. From each of the zonal qualifiers, we select the two teams that will qualify and participate in the zonal final. And from the Fab Four, we select the team that gives the very best, because they get the very best, a ticket to the national final. And of course, you can hear them cheering, making their presence felt. Is a delightful audience from DAV Vasant Kunj. Thank you and welcome all of you. We are here because of Petroleum Conservation Research Association, a society under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. The Saksham Quiz Contest is one of 3 national level competitions organized as part of Saksham: essay, painting and quiz, with one common message uniting them all to promote fuel conservation and energy efficiency. Right. Teams, your storied stellar performances rich with knowledge has brought you here today. But at this stage, if you can handle the nerves, you will cover yourself with glory. The first of our 4 teams in the Indian Nurturers qualifiers on table A is the team from Baba Biramdas DAV Fatehgarh Sahib Punjab, represented by Shubham Sharma and Karandeep Singh. Then on table D from Bulandshahr Uttar Pradesh is Vidya Gyan School, Amit Kumar and Priyanshi. On my left, on table C, is the team from Mount Abu Public School, Delhi, Nakul Khurana and Satakshi. And finally, completing the lineup on table G is the team from Ajit Karam Singh International Public School, Chandigarh, Abhishek Kumar and Rishu Kumar. Alright, so those are the 4 teams. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs, opportunity will certainly knock on your door. We begin with the first of our 2 rounds in our zonal qualifier. Round 1, it's called Take It Easy. Each team will get one multiple choice question. If you give me a right answer, you get 10 points. But if not, there are no negatives. But other teams, if you hit the buzzer and give me a right answer, you get 10 points. But if not, you get a -5. So be very careful before you hit the buzzer. Be absolutely certain. If you're ready, we shall begin. Team A, your question on your screen. The State Rooftop Solar Attractiveness Index, called SARAL, was launched by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy in August 2019. Which state ranks at the top of the index? Is it A, Gujarat? Is it B, Karnataka? Is it C, Telangana? Or is it D, Andhra Pradesh?
It's B, Karnataka.
It's B, Karnataka. That is correct. That's the answer that I was looking for. A very good answer there by Team A. Absolutely, it is indeed Karnataka. So that's a 10-pointer to you. The states were evaluated on the basis of their attractiveness for rooftop index. The idea is to incentivize a healthy competition among states, and the 2019 list was topped by Karnataka. Next question now, Team B is your direct. 9-year-old Ellangbam Valentina Devi was appointed Manipur's Green Ambassador after a video of her crying on seeing what 2 trees planted by her cut down became popular. Is it A, Gulmohar? Is it B, Mango? Is it C, Ashok? Or is it D, Banyan? Other teams on the buzzer.
Gulmohar. Option A.
Option A, Gulmohar. That is correct as well. Absolutely. Back-to-back answers coming from both teams A and Team B. It is indeed Gulmohar. She was made Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission's brand ambassador. Good answer there. Team B, you get 10 points as well. To the other side of the stage, to Team C from Delhi. Here is your question. New Zealand's Bird of the Year 2019 was awarded to a reclusive and endangered hoiho. What kind of bird is hoiho? Is it A, parrot? Is it B, kiwi? Is it C, eagle? Or is it D, penguin?
B, kiwi.
B, kiwi. I'm afraid that is incorrect. That's no points to you. Waiting for any of the other 3 teams to show any interest on the buzzer. -5 looms too large over all these teams. So that means we will close this question. The right answer is a penguin. Hoiho is a penguin. I'm afraid Team C didn't get it right. Nobody else tried on this one. Hoiho is said to be the world's rarest penguin. It's also called the yellow-eyed penguin, the hoiho. Okay, bird of the year 2019 in New Zealand. We move on to the next question, the final question of this round, to Team D. Your direct Chandigarh. In 2017, which cricket ground became the first in Great Britain to run on 100% renewable energy? It includes photovoltaic roof panels and state-of-the-art water collection and recycling system. Is it A, Edgbaston? Is it B, Old Trafford? Is it C, Lords? Or is it D, the Oval?
It's C, Lords.
Lords, that is correct. That's the answer. Good answer there, Team D. Of course, it is Lords. They did so because they, as per a study, they figured out that there has been a damage of about £3.5 million across 57 cricket clubs. And so Lords wanted to take a decision on the front foot, be a nature warrior. Good answer there by Team D. That gets you 10 points. Looks like all teams are fairly comfortable, but a couple of you will have to go top gear and change your fortunes as we move on to round 2. It's called Clutopia. There will be 5 questions, each question with 3 clues on the buzzer. If you hit the buzzer on the first clue, give me a right answer, you get 15. If not, I move on to the second clue for 10. If not, I move on to the third clue for 5. At any of the clues, if you give me a wrong answer, means a -5. So, be very careful before you hit the buzzer, right? And there is only one buzzer per clue. We can have 3 different teams hitting the buzzer on the same question, but every time on a different clue. We'll start with the first question of the 5 questions. First clue on your screen, here it is. Mount Mabu stands approximately 1700 meters high and is home to what is believed to be the largest medium altitude rainforest in southern Africa. The scientists had no knowledge of this region till 2005. Which computer program helped them discover Mount Mabu? Mountain discovered as late as 2005. Thanks to a computer program. Which program? For 15 points. No one trying? We'll move on to the second clue for 10 points. G and E. 6 letters, 5 letters. What computer program? No one showing any interest, so we move on to the third clue. Right, work it out. Unjumble this. 5 points. Who's taking? It's Team B that has hit the buzzer. Your answer?
Google Earth
is correct. That's the answer. This is indeed Google Earth. Thanks to Google Earth, Mount Mabu was discovered as late as 2005. That's a wonderful answer there. Team B unjumbling that answer, and as a result, they get 5 points. Well done. Now for question number 2. First clue for 15 points. In English literature, the condition's name has always been related to the blue-green color of the eye. However, it originates from Greek writings for having the eyes of an owl because of big, fierce eyes. What condition is this? There's a visual also. What condition am I talking of? No one attempting. We move on to the second clue for 10 points. Starts with the letter G. 8 letters. What is this? Still no one showing any interest. We move on to clue number 3. Work it out, work it out. Unjumble this anagram. Get me the right answer. Who's going for it on the buzzer? You have the visual in front of you, you have the anagram. I need to have an answer from somebody now. Team D, Chandigarh, you've gone for it. Your answer is?
Glaucoma.
Is correct. That's the answer. Good answer it is indeed, glaucoma. Well done on that. Finally working it out is Chandigarh, and as a result they get 5. Now for question number 3. Watch the video. Question follows. These balls, a new innovation in preventing fire and works effectively as a fire extinguisher. What are they called? These balls are a new innovation in preventing fire and works effectively as a fire extinguisher. What are they called? No one trying? We move on to the second clue for 10 points. AFO 433. 433. Like a defense-minded football manager. 433. AFO. What are these balls called? No one trying. We move on to clue number 3. For 5 points. What are these AFO balls? Who'll solve it? It's Chandigarh again.
Auto fire out.
Is correct. That's the answer. These are the auto fire out balls. Well done there, Team D. Another answer coming from you gets you a 5 one more time. Well done. 2 questions remain. We move on to number 4. The state animal of Sikkim is the only living species of genus Alurus and the family Aluridae. This creature is often called bear cat or cat bear. What animal am I talking of? It's Team Chandigarh, no surprises. Yes.
It's red panda.
Is correct. That's the answer. Indeed, red panda. That's the answer. Well done there, Chandigarh. This time you get a 10. 2 times you've collected 5. This time you get a 10. Good early advantage for you. We move on to our final round of the first qualifier on your screen. Which company's subtle branding change does this New Yorker headline refer to? Which company's subtle branding change does this New Yorker headline refer to? It says company name henceforth known as company name. That's funny. But perhaps so is the subtle branding change in question. No one trying. We move on to the second clue for 10 points. Starts with the letter F. It's made of 8 letters. No one trying. We move on to clue number 3. Unjumble it. Which very well-known organization is this? It's Team C, Mount Abu Public School, Delhi. Your answer?
Facebook.
Facebook. Why would you say Facebook?
I can unjumble this and
can
use
unjumble it as
and
Facebook.
that one that we perhaps go this twice in a day. So
Okay, and how about the question? What branding change if you say it's Facebook?
like
Would
I
Facebook come up with?
have read something related to that.
And what is it that you read?
Like this one is from that like company name henceforth changed from the company
Yeah. So
name.
what is now Facebook?
Like I actually don't know exactly about it. Like I related about that thing.
All right, I'll give you the points, but I'll also explain. That's correct. That's 5 points to Team C. The reason is because Facebook is not Facebook anymore. Facebook is actually Facebook. Yes. Yeah, that's because from small case they've moved to uppercase, but the company name remains same. That was the subtle branding change that they did recently to distinguish between the parent organization Facebook as opposed to the social media entity, the website Facebook. So the social media entity is all in small case Facebook, while the company that owns the small case Facebook is the uppercase Facebook. That's the subtle branding change that they did. That's very well identified there by Mount Abu Public School, Delhi. So that's the end of round 2. Looks like fortune has favored the brave. Let's confirm that by taking a look at the scoreboard. Team A from Punjab, you finish with a score of 10. Team B from Uttar Pradesh, you finish with a score of 15. Team C from Delhi, you finish with a score of 5. And Team D from Chandigarh, you finish with a score of 13. Right, so the future will belong to those who dared to be brave. Team B and Team D from Uttar Pradesh and Chandigarh respectively. The bright sparks of your performance coming on the backs of midnights after midnights of burnt oil. You qualify with 15 and 30 points respectively. Congratulations. Two teams have marked their attendance in the zonal final. Now a couple of more Indian nurturers await their fate. But they won't wait long because we resume action on the other side of this short break. You wouldn't want to miss this.
मैंने सोच लिया है, जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा ना, तब मैं साइकिल रिपेयर की दुकान खोलूंगा।
क्यों?
जिस तरह आप सब पेट्रोल वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, फ्यूचर में तो पेट्रोल बचेगा ही नहीं। तब तो सब साइकिल ही चलाएंगे ना।
खुद ही सारा पेट्रोल खत्म करेंगे या कुछ अपने बच्चों के लिए भी छोड़ेंगे? प्लीज कम से कम सिग्नल पे तो इंजन ऑफ कीजिए।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
ये लो।
गुड न्यूज सर, आज से आपको पेट्रोल पे 20% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। 20%।
लॉटरी लग गई तो मेरे बाकी के पैसे क्यों नहीं डाले?
वो तो आपके हाथ में ना। 45 की स्पीड पे गाड़ी चलाइए, रेड लाइट पे इंजन ऑफ कर दीजिए, 20% पेट्रोल तो जरूर बचेगा। बात तो वही है ना।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
Welcome back. You're watching PCRA presents Saksham Quiz Contest 2020. The nonchalant group of Indian nurturers are here to take pole position in their zonal qualifier. One would argue the online round, district round and the state round were all warm-ups and the real battle begins here. As with me, the three state winners are on table A is the team from Jindal Vidya Mandir, Kinnaur in Himachal Pradesh, Atul Maurya and Divyanshu Mani Tripathi. And then on table B is IDDAV Public School from Hisar, Haryana, represented by Purab and Ronak Sharma. And finally, on table C is Kendra Vidyalaya Kausani from Uttarakhand, Harshit Mehra and Priyanshu Joshi. Teams, an error here and all your hard work will be shadowed. So do not go gentle, rage against the dying of the light. We begin with our first round. It's called Take It Easy. There will be 3 multiple choice questions, 1 to each team. If the direct team gives me a right answer, you get 10 points. But if you don't give me a right answer, there's no negative. The other 2 teams can hit the buzzer. If you do that and you give me a right answer, you get 10 points. But if not, there's a -5. So if you're ready, Team A from Himachal Pradesh, your question on your screen now. The 2019 Nobel Prize in Chemistry was awarded to 3 scientists for the development of which battery that is widely used in the world of electric cars and renewable energy? Is it A, graphene battery? Is it B, Pareto battery? Is it C, aluminium air battery? Or is it D, lithium ion battery?
C, aluminium air battery.
C, aluminium air battery. I'm afraid that is incorrect. Team B, Team C, are you interested on the buzzer? Team C has shown interest. Yes, Uttarakhand, your answer is?
It is D, lithium ion battery.
Is correct. That's the answer. This is indeed lithium ion battery. Well done on that, stealing an answer from Team A. The Nobel Committee says they created the right conditions for a wireless and fossil fuel free society and so brought the greatest benefit to humankind. Bringing great benefit to themselves is Team C with a 10-pointer. Next question will now be for Team B. Hisar, Haryana. Here is your question. Which energy saving device uses a parabolic reflector that has high directivity? Is it A, solar cooker? Is it B, CNG bus? Is it C, LED bulb? Or is it D, a windmill?
It's A, solar cooker.
It's A, solar cooker. That is correct. That's the answer. Good answer there. It directs sunlight to a small area in order to generate heat for cooking. Right, well done. Team B, direct question, direct answer. That means you're on the scoreboard with 10 points. And now for the final question of this round is for Team C. Uttarakhand, here's your question. Recently, the country's president, Joko Widodo, announced to shift the country's capital 870 miles away from the current capital as it is rapidly sinking in the ocean. Which capital city is this, which is 2/5 under sea level and by 2050 will be fully submerged? Is it A, Jakarta? Is it B, Kuala Lumpur? Is it C, Bangkok? Or is it D, Hanoi?
Is it C, Bangkok?
Is it C, Bangkok? I'm afraid that is incorrect. He's not the Thailand president, Joko Widodo. That's incorrect, so no negative. But Are teams A and B interested? For 10 points, out of the 3 options, I'm going to hazard a guess. Perhaps. Looks like neither one of you are interested, so that means I'll have to close this. The right answer is Jakarta. Indonesia has a 10-year plan to transfer all government offices to a new capital city called Kalimantan in the Borneo Island. Nobody got this, but we will have to move on to our second round. The action will continue. In our second round, this is called Cluetopia. There will be 5 questions, all of them on the buzzer. 3 clues to every question. If you answer on the first clue, you get 15. If not, I move on to the second clue for 10. If not, I move on to the third clue for 5. But at any stage, at any of the clues, if you give me a wrong answer, there's a -5 flat on either of the 3 clues, and there's 1 buzzer per clue. So if you're ready, we shall begin with the first clue on your screen. This character, called Fairy Mayor, appeared in a British kids show called Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom. Which current world leader was it based on? Which current world leader? Team A, you've hit the buzzer. Your answer is?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump. I'm afraid that is incorrect. That's a -5 to Team A. But 2 more clues remain. Perhaps you'll get some points back. Second clue. 5 and 7. B and J. Who's this leader? International world leader. B and J. Who do you think this character looks like? Doesn't look like Trump. That we've already negated, thanks to Team A. Who does this character look like? Nobody trying. We move on to the third clue. British kids show. Oh well. Looks like we'll have to close this because there is no other clue perhaps left, and neither of the 3 teams are showing any interest, so that means we'll have to close this. The right answer, British kids show, the British Prime Minister Boris Johnson. This is Boris Johnson. Hard luck. No points to anyone. We move on to the second question, first clue. The lunar rover was part of the Chandrayaan-2 mission of ISRO. What was it called? What was this lunar rover called? Part of the Chandrayaan-2 mission of ISRO. For 15 points, Team A, that's shown interest. Your answer is?
Lander Vikram.
Vikram. I'm afraid that is incorrect. That's a -5 to Team A. We move on to the second clue. It's Team C that has shown interest. Yes, for 10 points.
It is Pragyan.
It is indeed Pragyan and not Vikram. Good answer there, Team C, Uttarakhand. It is indeed Pragyan. Well done, Uttarakhand. That gets you 10 points. Playing it very well on the buzzer. We move on to the third question, first clue. This is the new BMW VB X6. What does VB stand for in the new BMW VB X6? No one trying? I will move on to the second clue. 5 and 5. VB. Now, moving on to the third clue. Work it out from this. Who's trying? Right, that means I'll have to close this. The right answer is Vanta Black. This is Vanta Black, the darkest of all colors, the blackest of all blacks. Right, couldn't unjumble that word, so that means we move on to our fourth question. First clue, no points to anyone on that one. This is a video, watch the video.
What happens first is that the corals start to show these really bright sort of highlighter colours. So you get them going these yellows, greens and pinks. And this is really the coral's last hurrah. This is the last thing that they do before they go bright white, and this might be the last time that you see them alive.
Right, the question. The corals are rapidly dying, and as you can see, they are turning white because of rising water temperatures. What is this phenomenon called? You saw it very clearly in the video. The corals were turning white. What is this phenomenon called? No interest from anyone. We move on to the second clue. Starts with the letter B. 9 letters. Still no one. We move on to the third clue. Work it out. What is this phenomenon called? Turning white corals. No? Can't unjumble it and give me a right answer. That means I will have to close this question again. The right answer is bleaching. It's called bleaching, right? This act of corals turning white and eventually dying is called bleaching. No points to anyone. We move on to the final question of our second qualifier. This World Cup was held in New York City in July 2019. The winner took home a cool $3 million. What World Cup was this? This was a World Cup of what? No one trying. We move on to the second clue for 10 points. Starts with the letter F. Team B.
Football.
Football. I'm afraid that is incorrect. That's a -5 to Team B. We move on to the third clue. Right, who's interested? What is this very popular video game? Starts with the letter F. No one trying? What very popular video game this is? Perhaps you play it or perhaps your friends do. 8 letters. No? I'll close this. The right answer is Fortnite. This is Fortnite. This is Fortnite World Cup, happened in July 2019. We had a winner, a very young winner with us who won $3 million, but nobody won anything on this question. So that means we come to the end of the second round as well. That's the end of the second zonal qualifier. We take a look at the scoreboard. Team A from Himachal Pradesh, you finished with a score of -10. Team B from Haryana, you finished with a score of 5. And Team C from Uttarakhand, you finished with a score of 20. So that means giving it a red hot go today were teams Haryana and teams Uttarakhand, who qualify with 5 and 20 points respectively. Congratulations. So North's finest 4 teams are looking ready and raring to go in the Indian Nurturer Zonal Final. But all the twists and turns of the North Zone saga when we resume action after this short break. We'll be back soon.
मैंने सोच लिया है, जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा ना, तब मैं साइकिल रिपेयर की दुकान खोलूंगा।
क्यों?
जिस तरह आप सब पेट्रोल वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, फ्यूचर में तो पेट्रोल बचेगा ही नहीं। तब तो सब साइकिल ही चलाएंगे ना।
खुद ही सारा पेट्रोल खत्म करेंगे या कुछ अपने बच्चों के लिए भी छोड़ेंगे? प्लीज कम से कम सिग्नल पे तो इंजन ऑफ कीजिए।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
ये लो।
गुड न्यूज सर, आज से आपको पेट्रोल पे 20% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। 20%।
लॉटरी लग गई। तो मेरे बाकी के पैसे क्यों नहीं डाले?
वो तो आपके हाथ में ना। 45 की स्पीड पे गाड़ी चलाइए, रेड लाइट पे इंजन ऑफ कर दीजिए, 20% पेट्रोल तो जरूर बचेगा। बात तो वही है ना।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
Welcome back to PCRA presents Saksham Quiz Contest 2020. Perform or perish, do or die, karega ya ghar jayega. That's the mantra these Indian nurturers will have to follow today. It's going to be a fast-paced T20 that will test your mettle in one day. A reminder for our viewers, on table A we have the team from Uttar Pradesh with a score of 15 points. Then on table B we have the team from Haryana with a score of 5. Across on table C is the team from Uttarakhand with a score of 20. And finally completing the lineup and in the lead is the team from Chandigarh with a score of 30. Team Chandigarh and Uttarakhand, an early advantage is good, but that's hardly a virtue. You know what you have to do today? Just a small matter of making everyone back home proud. We'll pick action in the first of our 2 rounds. It's called How's That? I will be displaying 5 topics, one by one. We will be picking 4 of those topics, but all these teams have been divided in pairs based on their qualifying scores. They've been seeded as per their qualifying scores. Team Uttarakhand will play against Chandigarh. Team Haryana will play against Uttar Pradesh. It's going to be Team Uttarakhand that will pick the first of our 5 topics for Chandigarh. If Chandigarh answers, you get 10 points. If not, it goes back to Team Uttarakhand. You answer for +5 to you and -5 to Chandigarh. But if neither one of you can answer, you don't get any negatives. If Team A and B show interest on the buzzer, you will attempt for 10 and -5. Right? After Chandigarh and Uttarakhand have played against each other, they've done batting and bowling. We move on to the second match between Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. One of you will bat, the other one will bowl, and then we'll do a reverse. Right? That's how this round works. We begin with taking a look at the topics. Here are your topics on your screen. So these are your topics. Please pick one of them, Uttarakhand, for your friends from Chandigarh.
It's air quality.
Air quality. Here is a question for Chandigarh on air quality. Operationalized by Indian Meteorological Department, the system of air quality weather forecasting and research was first launched in 2010 during the Commonwealth Games in Delhi. By what acronym? By what abbreviation do we know it? System of air quality weather forecasting and research. By what abbreviation do we know it? Teams A and B, you're on the buzzer whenever you're ready. Right. Chandigarh, can I have your answer? By what abbreviation do we know this?
Suffer.
Suffer is correct. That's the answer. This is indeed suffer. Wonderful answer there by Chandigarh. That's 10 pointer to you. So that's a suffer in Hindi. But I understand with air pollution that's a suffer in English. But this is a suffer in Hindi. Good answer. Well done. And that gets you 10 points. So you hit their ball out of the park. You got air pollution. That was a pretty easy ride for you. And now try and make life difficult for Uttarakhand, Chandigarh. What topic should we play for them?
National Park.
National Park. Right, Uttarakhand, if you're ready, here's a question on national parks for you. Originally called Venugopal National Park, it was established in 1931 to conserve wildlife. In 1974, under Project Tiger, a tiger reserve was created here, and thus it underwent a name change. What national park in Karnataka is this? Yes, can I have your answer now for 10 points? No. Looks like I'll have to go back to Team D for 5 points if you're right.
Bandipur National Park.
Bandipur National Park, absolutely. That's the answer. On a roll is Chandigarh, so that means you get 5, and what's more, your friends from Uttarakhand unfortunately get a -5. Right, so that was indeed Bandipur National Park, earlier called Venugopal National Park. Well done there, Chandigarh. That's a 5 to you, -5 to Team C. That's the end of match 1. We move on to the second match that we have to play, and that's for Haryana versus Uttar Pradesh. Haryana, please pick a topic, your friends and neighbors from Uttar Pradesh.
Special train.
Special train. Right, Team UP, if you're ready for the special train. South Delhi Municipal Corporation launched this train called Blank Terminator to prevent a certain nuisance that is in full bloom in monsoons. Sprayed all along the tracks were puddles of water. What does it attempt to terminate? And that's how it gets its name. Other teams on the buzzer, Team C and D, if you're interested. What's the name of this train? What does it attempt to terminate? Okay, your answer now. Nothing? Should I go back to Haryana? Should I? I will. Okay, no answer coming from Team A. Question goes back to Team B. Haryana, your answer for +5 and -5 to Team A, if you get it right. Yes, your answer is?
No, we don't know.
Nothing. Okay, so nothing to either one of you. Team C and D, are you interested? What does it attempt to terminate? A certain nuisance that is in full bloom during monsoons. Are you trying for +10 and -5? No. I'll close this in 3 seconds. Right, I'll have to close this. The right answer, the train is called a mosquito terminator. This is a mosquito terminator to prevent a certain nuisance. In this case was a mosquito. Right, hard luck, no points to anyone. We move on to our final question of the second match. So this time it's going to be UP who's on the bowling end, and it's Haryana that's on the batting end. What topic?
Groundwater pollution.
Groundwater pollution. Team Haryana, your question. In September 2019, Andhra Pradesh ordered an inquiry into complaints about groundwater pollution caused by UCIL, that is Blank Corporation of India Limited, under the Department of Atomic Energy in Kodappa. Fill in the blank with an element. Blank Corporation of India Limited, under the Department of Atomic Energy. Right, Team C and D, whenever you're ready, you can hit the buzzer. You don't have to wait for a cue from me. Yes, I need an answer, Team B. If not, I go back to Team UP. No? Goes back to UP. Your answer is? Nothing. All right. Team C and D, are you interested? Fill in the blank with the name of an element. That's extremely surprising. How many do you know from you? No one showing any interest. So we'll close this. The right answer is uranium. This is uranium. How many chemical elements do you know with the letter U? Oh dear, that was an easy one, missed by all of you. Right, nevertheless, I hope teams know their strategy well. Perhaps they're waiting for the final round, and perhaps that's when they kickstart their engines and kickstart their journeys into the national final. We'll wait and watch, and we'll find out in our second round. Right, so here we are, knocking on the national finals door. This is the last round of today's episode. It's called Double Trouble. I'll be giving you 6 questions on the buzzer. 10 points if you give me a right answer after hitting the buzzer, -5 if you're wrong. The round is called Double Trouble, so you can double your answers before you actually give them to me for +20. But the trouble is, if you give me a wrong answer on the buzzer, there's going to be a -20. If you clear, first of your 6 questions on your screen. These creatures are found in all the oceans of the world. A blue whale can eat as many as 40 million of these per day, weighing close to 8,000 pounds of food. What creatures are these? Team D, Chandigarh, your answer?
Is it krill?
Is correct. That's the answer. This is indeed krill, meaning a small fry or fish. A blue whale can eat as many as 40 million of these per day. Well done, Team D. That's another 10-pointer for you. We move on to the second question. Watch the video. The video shows a special copy of the book Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury, illustrating how it gets its name. So, how does the book get its name? It illustrates, the video illustrates how the book gets its name. Just put it in words. You've seen the video. Tell me, how does the book get its name? In all honesty, all you have to do is just explain the video to me. And that's your answer. Right, how does the name Fahrenheit 451, how is the name arrived at? Fahrenheit 451. And in the video, that was illustrated, how the book gets its name. That means I'll have to close this. The right answer is Fahrenheit 451 is the temperature at which paper burns. And that is exactly what was displayed in the video, and that is all you needed to give me as an answer, because that is exactly what I said, and that just described the video in words. Anyway, so we move on to question 3, total of 6 questions. The Greek dessert baklava has 33 layers, honoring the 33 years of the life of whom? The Greek dessert baklava has 33 layers that honor the 33 years of the life of whom? Which religious figure is this? Okay, Mohins. associated with Christianity? Finally, it's Team Chandigarh that has hit the buzzer. Your answer is?
Jesus.
Is there a full name?
Christ.
Is correct. That's the answer. This is indeed Jesus Christ. Lived for 33 years. That's what it honors. And I'm mightily surprised nobody got this. And finally, Chandigarh did after a lot of waiting. Anyway, that's well done. 10 points to you, Chandigarh. 3 questions remain. Here is question number 4. Lego came up with this brick design to let certain children learn what language in a playful and engaging way. So Lego, the popular plastic toys company, they came out with these bricks to let certain children learn what language in a playful and engaging way. 10 minus 5, 20 minus 20 if you double. It's Chandigarh again. What language?
Braille script.
Is correct. That's the answer for visually challenged, the Braille script. Well done, Chandigarh. We're only playing with you on this one. Good answer. That's another 10 pointer to you. Now, 2 questions remain. Here is question number 5. Achenes are not seeds, but actually the plant's ovaries. Each achene is technically a separate fruit that has a seed inside. On what would you find them? This is a zoomed in visual of what? They're not seeds, but actually the plant's ovaries. Each achene is technically a separate fruit that has a seed inside. On what popularly consumed edible item? Team C, Uttarakhand, your answer.
Is it strawberry?
Is it strawberry? Why didn't you double? Because you weren't sure. Right. Anyway, you get 10. That's the answer. This is indeed strawberry. Good answer. So that's a very zoomed in visual of the outside of a strawberry. Very well identified there by Uttarakhand, and you get 10 points. Now for the final question of today's zonal final. Birkenhead drill is a protocol followed in any evacuation situation to save lives. It arose from the actions of soldiers due to limited lifeboats during the sinking of the ship HMS Birkenhead in 1852. What groups of people have to be saved first as per the drill? What groups of people have to be saved first in any kind of emergency evacuation as per this drill? Team Chandigarh.
Women and children.
Is correct. That's the answer. Women and children first. Well done. Absolutely, Chandigarh. And that means you get 10 points. And that is all that I had to ask them today. So eventually, this quiz had many shades, lots of valor, lots of emotions, some incredible answers, and just about everything you can expect a quiz to be. Here's a look at the final scores. Finishing with a score of 15 points is Team A from Uttar Pradesh. And then on table B is Team Haryana that finishes with a score of 5. And then on table C is the team from Uttarakhand that finishes with a score of 25. Was an absolute pleasure to watch you guys compete. But smelling the scent of victory and whiff of joy is the team from Chandigarh. This is Abhishek and Rishu from Ajit Karam Singh International Public School. Congratulations with a near perfect performance. An excellent achievement. May I now request our chief guest, Shri R.K. Ahuja, Executive Director, PCRA, accompanied by Mr. Tarachand, Director, PCRA. Sirs, may I have you on stage to please award these teams and confirm their spot in the national final. May I now welcome on stage Ajit Karam Singh International Public School, Chandigarh. Congratulations. And some more prizes to go with it. Right, well done, Team Chandigarh. I'll see you again in the national final. Congratulations for that. Thank you. And now there are some prizes for the remaining teams as well. Nevertheless, significant achievement for being in the zonal finals. Well done for being zonal finalists. इसी के साथ खत्म होता है हमारे जोनल राउंड्स का सफर। 148 लाख स्टूडेंट्स में से अब हमारे पास बचे हैं सिर्फ चार होनहार और शानदार टीम्स। फ्रॉम दादरा नगर हवेली इन द वेस्ट टू आंध्र प्रदेश इन द साउथ टू झारखंड इन द ईस्ट एंड एज यू जस्ट विटनेस्ड टू चंडीगढ़ in the north. In the next episode, the whole of India will be playing and I hope the whole of India will be watching. दूरदर्शन स्टूडियोज न्यू दिल्ली से मैं अजय पूनिया लूंगा इजाजत from PCR presents Saksham Quiz Contest 2020. When we meet next, it's going to be the national final, the biggest day of the season. Can you afford to ignore the biggest day? I hope not. Goodbye.
मैंने सोच लिया है, जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा ना तब मैं साइकिल रिपेयर की दुकान खोलूंगा।
क्यों?
जिस तरह आप सब पेट्रोल वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, फ्यूचर में तो पेट्रोल बचेगा ही नहीं, तब तो सब साइकिल ही चलाएंगे ना।
खुद ही सारा पेट्रोल खत्म करेंगे या कुछ अपने बच्चों के लिए भी छोड़ेंगे? प्लीज कम से कम सिग्नल पे तो इंजन ऑफ कीजिए।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
ये लो।
गुड न्यूज सर, आज से आपको पेट्रोल पे 20% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। 20%।
लॉटरी लग गई तो मेरे बाकी के पैसे लूटे डाले।
वो तो आपके हाथ में ना। 45 की स्पीड पे गाड़ी चलाइए, रेड लाइट पे इंजन ऑफ कर दीजिए, 20% पेट्रोल तो जरूर बचेगा। बात तो वही है ना।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
मैंने सोच लिया है, जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा ना तब मैं साइकिल रिपेयर की दुकान खोलूंगा।
क्यों?
जिस तरह आप सब पेट्रोल वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, फ्यूचर में तो पेट्रोल बचेगा ही नहीं, तब तो सब साइकिल ही चलाएंगे ना।
खुद ही सारा पेट्रोल खत्म करेंगे या कुछ अपने बच्चों के लिए भी छोड़ेंगे? प्लीज कम से कम सिग्नल पे तो इंजन ऑफ कीजिए।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।